If your picture is blurry and then you want to enhance your picture without affect your picture or without any paid software, so it's very simple to unblur your picture and then enhance your picture, to remove the blur and then make it HD. So that is very simple. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. So first of all, we open the Google Chrome. So we close this picture first and then type there the picwish. So I type here the picwish and then hit enter. You can see the official link, picwish AI photo editor. So click that one. Then here you can get the many tools that you can remove background, unblur image, or you can click the features to see the all the features this website is providing. You can see the background remove, pick, photo retouch, portrait enhance, photo enhance, white background, photo colorize, image to text, convert photos to JPG, enlarge, compress, crop, toolbox, everything you can get in this website fully free. And then if you upgrade your premium service, you can get more features on this website. So I'm using the free. So I just click unblur my image, click that one and then upload image. I upload my image now and then it will automatically process in the few seconds, give you the difference, the picture. If you can see, if I move this side, that one is the blur. If I move, you can see the clearance, the picture difference very clear. Bring here and then download the image. So here you can find out that you see it's fully unblur our picture. If we see the old picture before and after, the difference, if I click the image before, now you can see here the difference. You see here the face and then you can see here the face. That is the difference, that you can unblur your picture fully free without pay anything. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new updates, new tips, new tricks. Thank you.